What's up guys, Shawn Connors here with Vanguard Realty Alliance, and I'm at our newest listing at 1477 Fort Washington Ave in Ambler. So let's go take a look. So we are located in the award-winning Upper Dublin School District, and it's just a half a block from the new Maple Glen Elementary School, and it's walkable to Upper Dublin High School. The house is centrally located to Route 309, the Turnpike, SEPTA Regional Rail, and major shopping areas, and at least 2 swim clubs, and the new Lifetime Fitness. It's a 4-bed, 2.5 bath home, over 3,000 square feet, and one of the main features, the crown prize of this house, is the outdoor area. Beautiful flat lot, fenced in yard, and again, it's minutes to all that Upper Dublin has to offer.